What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you all had a great start of the weekend. And we're back with Quant. I've been covering Quant for the last 3 days daily, I think. I have my own kind of upload schedule, which is all in the Discord server, for example. And this is completely against that upload schedule because I have actually scheduled regular updates on Quant. So if you're interested in that, check that out. But I had to cover it again today. Yesterday we covered it and I said that we would probably drop. What I said was to start with a quick recap. Is I thought we would probably find some resistance at 171 and then do something like this. All right. The other scenario we talked about is just breaking above 171, which is the main resistance level, was the main resistance level immediately. In the end, it was kind of in between. I'd say my analysis was pretty accurate, but I'll leave that up to you too. All right. So now, and the main reason why I wanted to cover Quant is that we had a bullish breakout. All right, so I just wanted to see where we could go. I already have my idea of where I think we're going to go. But as I said, we broke above 170. Now we have a strong support level between 163 and 171 below us. The one thing that's scaring me is that the market is dropping down quite significantly, as you can see. Most cryptos are down, and the other cryptos that are up are only up about 2 to 4%. All right, so it's definitely not, it's definitely looking grim for the markets. All right, Quant, luckily, and most of you know that, I think so, because Quant investors are quite smart in investing and know these things. Quant does really move independently of Bitcoin and the market, more so than other cryptos, right? So, for example, Luna Classic also does that. And you can also see that in price, right? But just altogether, that's also what happens. Even if Quant is not bullish, it just moves kind of on its own. Obviously, there's also more kind of a business aspect behind it, behind the price of Quant and behind the Quant project. So let's get actually into the price and what I think is going to happen. Based on that, I think we're going up to 190. That's also what I said yesterday. This level between 186 and 194 really is my next price target. So no, 200 is not my next price target. If you just look at it purely technically, you can see that yes, there is some resistance at 200, but historically it's not respected as much as the level around 190. As you can see, we have way more touches in that level, and you can also kind of, it's interesting to see. You can also see between the levels we just broke above and our price target. You can see that there's kind of this level around 175 and yeah, around 175, which is also a minor key level, I'd say. And we've actually broken above 175. All right, so that's another bullish confirmation. We found resistance at there earlier yesterday. It's another confirmation, and I think we're going up there towards 180, 186 and 190. I think we'll find resistance there first. From there, I expect quite a big drop down to 170 and maybe even 165. But I do think, just a little bit more over the long term, that after consolidating down here for a little bit longer, that we can get to 200 too. All right, but more about that in later videos, and we'll keep covering Quant, obviously. But for now, that's kind of my take and my outlook on this bullish breakout we had, some of the short term and some of the longer term I expect, and some of the market insights, right, which is always an important thing to look at. So for now, I want to wish you all a great weekend. That's the most important thing, obviously. I hope you're all doing great. So yeah, take care, bye, thank you for watching, and see you all tomorrow.